They're selling technology or selling services in the space. So you kind of consider that as well. So I wouldn't pay too much attention to the benchmarks, and also because you're going to have to benchmark the use of agentic AI for your particular problem domain to figure out what kind of performance you're going to get. If you look at other benchmarks that are created around generic types of problem domains and test scenarios, that's almost never going to replicate the way that you're using this technology in the enterprise. And that's not just with agentic AI, that's with everything. So security and privacy concerns. Agentic AI tools require access to sensitive information to function, creating privacy and security risks. Many models demonstrate non-zero confidentiality awareness, a significant limitation for corporate adoption. So improper implementations could result in emails sent to the wrong users or mishandling of proprietary data. So if we're going to trust these things to carry out tasks for us, to carry out business functions, then they're going to have to deal with security. In many cases, for example, agents working with physicians, you're dealing with PII information, personally identifiable information, and you're trusting them they're not going to mishandle that data, and they're not going to email it to the wrong person. You're having your blood test information, emailed to a mass mail list. Could be results out of this. And so if we're trusting these agents to carry out very sensitive tasks, we have to be able to trust them. And so in many cases, we're seeing unpredictable behavior for them because we're having all these things coordinate and run together and assess, in essence, they haven't been tested. And we're trying to see how they behave for the first time. So if you're leveraging this technology, that's going to be a risk. And I would do a tremendous amount of security testing before we deploy these things. I think we're building them too quick and fast. We're not necessarily understanding how they're going to behave as they learn over time. And we're putting ourselves and our information at risk.